You're welcome to Fortress of Peace TV. Today, I want to walk you through on how to upload videos on your YouTube channel. Please relax and come along with me. To get started, just go straight to your browser, type in youtube.com and send youtube.com. So if you have already signed in to your Google account, so it will just take you straight to your account. But if not, go through the process of signing in. Having signed in, you see the logo, the avatar. This avatar is what I use for my Google account. So click on it so you can see the upload button. So you may decide to go through this one, or you may come to your channel here. So when you come to your channel, you can what? When you click on your channel, it will show you your channel. Then you will see uploading option as well, how you can upload on your channel. But I will advise that when you start, just set your phone browser to desktop site mode like this. So it will just give you the edge, the advantage of using your phone like you are using your computer. So whatever you can do on your computer is what you can do on your phone when it is set on what? On desktop site mode. So when it comes up, it looks like this. When it comes up, it looks like this. So you see this icon with plus. It's an icon of create. This is YouTube. Show YouTube ads. More. So it show YouTube apps. Then this one is notification bell, and this one is what? Your own avatar, your channel avatar. So click on create here. So it gives you two options. The first option is to upload video, while the second option is to go live. Assuming there is an event which is happening currently live and you want people to be streaming it directly through the YouTube, so you just press on this, click on this and start recording. People will be seeing it from your account directly as it is going. So let's go to upload video, click on it. So you have opportunity of uploading videos up to 15 minutes if you are a new user. But if your account has been verified, you can upload videos up to 12 hours or more than that, depending on your region. But whichever region you come from, whether Africa, whether Europe, whether America, or wherever, or Asia, there is no doubt in that you can upload videos that is even more than 6 hours. A complete DVD can be uploaded on your YouTube once you have it on your computer. Okay, select file, click on it. So it will take you to whatever you have on your phone. Click on the document. Let's go to video. Okay, so click on the video you want to upload. Okay, so these are some of the videos. Let's zoom this is what I want to upload. Okay, I've clicked on it. As it is going, there are some other things that you can do while the video is uploading. So you can see here we have title, details. Under the details, we have title. It is required. That is the title people will see when they want to what? When they want to search for your videos on YouTube. So the title of the video is top 10 add-ons for Google Form. Top 10 add-ons for Google Form. That is that. Then here under description, so you can what? You can give for that title. You have opportunity of making it up to 100 characters. Making it up to 100 characters. A space is also a character. So this title can be up to 100 characters long. Use this space to create a catchy title that actually reflects the video. So you can use this large box called description to add a description for the video. Any information you have in the description will appear below your video while viewing. So let's assume I want to give some brief information. I can say these are plugins or add-ons that enhance your work on Google Form. So you can give more than that because you have options of adding up to 5,000 characters. I've only added 63 characters. So the more they are and the more relevant they are, so will give you edge. It will give you edge to what? For your video to be discovered on search. So you can use description to add some unique information about the video, the creator. I can put my name there as the creator of the video or other projects. So you add keywords to this area to make your what? Your video appear in relevant searches. So thumbnail. This thumbnail, so it will take a particular picture from it is supposed to show. Probably the network is working on that. So you pick any of these three that people will see while checking your video. Let me just select this. Since I cannot see it, I've decided to select one. So playlist, you may decide to create playlist. If you have one, it will be there. But since you don't have, I can decide, okay, let me create playlist. So that playlist, I can call it Google Form. So Google Form. So click. Okay, visibility. Do you want public to see it, or you want it to be private or unlisted? Make it public since you want people to see it. So click on create. So click on done. The playlist is created. Check the box and click done. So audience, is this video made for kids? Because yes, if yes, so if no, you have used age restriction. So if no, do you want to restrict your video for people above 18? You can select no. Since you have said it is for kids, so that means you select no. So you may decide to what? You may decide to go for more options. So but let's just click on next. So next now, so video elements, and it's going to show viewers related videos, website, and calls to action. So since the account is new, so I may not be able to okay, add an end screen. So I may not be able to use this. Click next. Visibility, save and publish. Yes, so public, everyone can watch the video. Everyone can watch. You may schedule it. Maybe you don't want it to be uploaded instantly, so you may pick a date. So then, having set all these things, you can what? You can decide to publish. So having published, the video will appear. So you can see. So you can share the link on any of your social media accounts. This is the link. So if the social media account you want to use is not there, maybe I want to use WhatsApp and it is not there, just come here, click on copy video link. I've copied it, then close. So that video link, I can decide I will take it to the WhatsApp, my WhatsApp, the WhatsApp account of whoever I want to view it, I want to send the video to. So this is just that on how to add videos to your channels, YouTube channels. So thank you, and stay tuned for more. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do, for God's sake, please do, and make sure you hit the notification bell. Hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when more of our videos are uploaded. Thank you.